Hey y'all, welcome back to Cristin Live. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of pesky ants in your vegetable garden. And by the way, happy Valentine's Day. Let's just go ahead and get right into it. Okay, so as you can see, I'm not in my normal gardening attire. I just got off work and came to check on my plants out here. My garden is next to the woodworking shop, so just ignore the background, it's a mess. And notice that I had red ants. A large quantity of them, like overnight. We did have a ton of rain, so I'm not sure if that's what brought them in, but I'm going to show you an easy hack to get rid of them naturally, so that you're not putting any toxic stuff in the garden or your vegetables, or if you have any animals that possibly could get into it. So this is diatomaceous earth, and this is actually safe for animals, but not human consumption. I found the ant hole. It's outside of the garden, so that's why I'm treating it with this. But I do have another 10-pound bag of food grade diatomaceous earth coming in the mail today from Amazon, and that's what I'll actually put inside the garden near my crops. So what you do is you're going to take any kind of container. I just happen to have an old grits container, and I've already applied this once, but this just happened to be something I had on hand, and I could just take like a small, you could take a sharp knife. Okay, so you just poke some holes in here because you want to dust it. If you put it to screwdriver, can't think today, will actually avoid it and walk around it. They don't want to walk in this stuff, which is why you kind of need to make a mix yourself using all three of these things. So a fine dust is the best, and you can take either grits or any kind of oatmeal that's ground. And basically I've got, well, this is a 24-ounce container, and there's about a fifth of it left. So I'm just going to pour all of that in here. And then I have about a quarter cup of sugar, because ants love sugar. So they're going to pick up, ingest, and take back to the nest the sugar and the oats, and the diatomaceous earth is what's going to slowly kill them, which I know sounds, not so nice, but it's that or you eat. So, in my opinion, it's worth it. And what the oats do, or grits, is when they ingest them, it kind of expands and they explode, if you will. I just don't know any other humane way, well, I don't know if it's humane, but pesticide-free way to get rid of them, and this has always worked best for me. So anyway, we've got our oatmeal or grits, our quarter cup of sugar, and then I'm going to take just about like 2 ladlefuls of this diatomaceous earth. And then you just put the lid on. Take like another something to keep it in there, because you're going to be covered in white powder, and just shake it up, make sure it's mixed really well, so that they don't know that they're carrying something that's going to be a poison to them back to their mother nest. Okay, so we've got the mixture nice and well mixed, and I'm just going to go ahead and dust this over my garden. I'll kind of show you what it looks like when it comes out. So it's just a real fine powder, which is exactly what you want. You don't want to apply this in the rainy season, or if you know rain's coming, because it becomes ineffective when it gets wet. So if you know rain's coming, wait a day or two, make sure it's dry, and then apply it. If it does happen to rain, just reapply it. Not a big deal, and these things are not expensive. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this helps. Please leave a comment below if you know another way to get rid of ants safely, where you can still keep your garden organic. Alright guys, I'll see you next time. Thanks so much. Bye.